Today, my favorite birthday tradition, piñatas.
What is a pini-appa?
Rolf, you don't know what a piñata is?
Is it a pineapple?
No, a piñata.
A pee-pee-papa?
No, a piñata. You know those things that are filled with the candies?
Candies? I love candies.
Well, do you want lots of candy exploding everywhere?
Yeah!
Okay, to the machine of awesomeness. Okay, let's go.
Candy has all of my favorite things. Sugar, corn syrup, guar gum, lecithin, high fructose corn syrup, double high fructose corn syrup. Tell me more about this poo-poo party and the candy explosion.
No, Rolf, it's a piñata and explodes because a child hits it with a stick on their birthday.
I do not believe in birthday violence.
But Rolf, you always give me very hard birthday hits on my birthday.
Oh, I was talking about my birthday.
It's my birthday today.
Willie, punch in the numbers.
To the workshop of the greatest piñata artisan in the world.
I will see if these pina coladas are smashing with the sticks.
No, Rolf, it's piñatas. Oh!
Okay, Rosalita, test this piñata with the hardest hit ever.
Ouch!
That was not the piñata, Rosalita.
Oh!
Also not the piñata, Rosalita.
Hello, Pedro. Long time no. Oh!
And that was just not nice, Rosalita. But it was funny. So, your friend Rolf doesn't know anything about piñatas.
Wait, are you saying they're not called pee-pee-poo-poos?
You're talking silly talk, mi amigo. Let me tell you about how my family began making piñatas. My great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-abuelo Carlos was a caveman, more or less. Him and his family were always hunted by a T-Rex, ironically named Muchacho.
What? T-Rexes never lived at the same time as Homo sapiens.
Silencio! This is my story.
Sorry.
After years and years of being hunted by Muchacho, Abuelo Carlos decided to try something new. He made a small paper-mache T-Rex and suspended him from a tree for Muchacho's birthday. A peace offering filled with T-Rex treats.
T-Rex treats? What are you even talking about?
Cállate!
Sorry.
Muchacho found the piñata, but his little T-Rex arms could not grab it, and it flailed around uselessly. He sadly could not get the treats out of his piñata.
Why didn't he just bite it?
One more interruption and I will hit you with my piñata stick.
Sorry.
So Abuelo Carlos sent out his youngest child, Paco, with a stick to hit the piñata, but blindfolded him so he would not be afraid of the T-Rex. Little Paco's aim was true, even with the blindfold, and Muchacho the T-Rex was able to eat all his treats, and they became lifelong friends. Ever since then, my family has been making piñatas all occasions. Birthday parties, quinceañeras, 15th birthdays, bar mitzvahs, and the girls that turn 15 years old.
Are you sure you have your facts correct? I don't know if I have ever heard such a true and accurate story.
Come, my friends, let me show you what we've been doing. This is a prototype of a new motion sensor piñata we call Sensanata. It is for kids who cannot hit the piñata very hard.
Ooh.
It's still a little sensitive. This is a prototype of our drum piñata, allowing for hours of fun as you fly away from the swinging sticks.
Ooh.
Willie? He's not quite ready. I'm glad you still have your fingers. And this is a prototype of our special comida piñata for when you want to eat more than just sugary candies. I call it burrito nata.
Oh, Willie, don't be such a scaredy kitty.
We're still tweaking the sphincter speed. Follow me. ¿Qué tal, Tiburcio?
Hola, Pedro!
This is my good friend Tiburcio. It's his daughter's 15th birthday.
It is my birthday too.
Shush, Willie, we're talking about people with birthdays.
So for her quinceañera, I made the perfect piñata.
Pedro has told me so much about you, Willie. It would be my honor if you took the first swings at my daughter's piñata.
Tiburcio, excuse my friend. He has had some piñata trouble today. Maybe my new friend Rolf could try.
Sí, señor. Be my guest. Children, come. It's piñata time.
get it?
Not exactly. Swing again, amigo.
Wait.
Did I get it?
You got something, all right, but not the piñata. Uno más. You can do it.
Wait. I'll go into the other room.
Did I get it?
I hope your head feels better, mi amigo.
See, I hope so too. I still feel bad you did not get to break open this perfect piñata. Perhaps if I break it open so you can have one of its spicy and sweet treats. Just kidding, Willie. A little bit of piñata humor, eh?
Thank you, Pedro and Tiburcio. I have learned to love the piñata, but we do have to get back.
Buenas noches, Rolf and Willie.
Oh!
Rosalita!
That was so fun!
Yeah, I think that was more fun for you than it was for me.
I learned so much about the physics of piñatas.
Yeah, well, I wish you hadn't, Rolf.
Well, there is one last thing more important than all.
And what is that?
Happy birthday, Willie!
Rolf, you remembered.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Rolf.
Yeah, and now it is time for your birthday hits. Oh,